hate be at when they say they doing all this and all that. I actually want to do a video where I react to y'all outfits because I'll be looking at my comments sometimes, or a lot of times actually. If you ever left me a comment on IG under one of my photos, if it wasn't like late enough, I always respond. I was looking at my photos on IG. Some of y'all be showing love saying I can dress, but some of y'all saying I can't dress. So I'm like, yo, bro, I be looking at y'all pics when y'all say that. Because if you tell me I can't dress, I'm like, nigga, can you dress? And then I go and look at y'all pics, bro, and I ain't gonna hold you. Y'all be wearing like these boot cut jeans with Jordan 1s, bro, and that ain't the vibes either. I might have to do that coming up. By the way, a lot of y'all be asking what's on my head, bro. It's a do-rag. It's a do-rag. Like, I don't wear the cape out. You know what I'm saying? I tuck it sometimes, but most of the time I just throw it back over the top like this. Like, bro, it's a do-rag. I'm pretty sure everybody has seen a do-rag by now. Another comment I've been getting a lot is, do you have braces now? Yes. Yes, I have braces. I have braces now. This is usually the stuff I probably edit out the video, but I'm feeling good about this one, so I might keep this in front of the video. Out to all my real subs who used to watch the ending of the videos, they used to have like the deleted scenes, like the Marvel movies. Like after my Dream Big outro and the music play, I would have like deleted scenes, and this type of stuff would be at the end. A lot of y'all wouldn't know that because y'all leave the video in like the middle. So only my real ones will know that. As a matter of fact, comment down below or smash the like button if you do remember those videos. Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with yet another video for your head top. What is up, everybody? If you wondering why I got this same shirt on in like multiple videos, cause I'm getting this work in, man. I'm dropping multiple videos, or at least recording multiple. Can't even talk today. At least I'm recording multiple videos like every day. You know what I'm saying? So same shirt, same day, just different content. Today, as you see in the title, shout out to Foot Locker. They sent me over a package, and I'm very excited to open this up because I love shoes and I need to add more to the collection. Now, what they sent over is a surprise though, because I really don't know. But regardless, I'm super thankful for, so thank you for that. First off though, I do want to get into this other package. So we're gonna be unboxing a few things today because this package came in the mail too. I was like, why not open both up at the same time? So I know what this one is though. I just don't want to be like a party pooper and like ruin the surprise real quick. Whoa, did I just really put the box on the table without, hey, my bad, bro, I forgot. We got this thing going on. How did I not, I'm sorry, bro. Oh yeah, that's better. All right, I appreciate you, big dog. As I was saying, man, yeah, I don't want to ruin the surprise by just telling y'all what this box is, so I'm gonna just do it. A lot of y'all probably know what it is though, because when I get these flat, big boxes like this, it's only usually one thing that can fit in these. And yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir. First off, we got the red toiletry bag, okay? So first off, we got the toiletry bag that's looking very good. And by the way, I am going back to Cleveland today. If you're watching this, I'll be going back to Cleveland today because today is Tuesday and I'll be headed back out there. So you get this red toiletry bag, that luxury leather. My goodness. And of course, you know it's only by Soul Premise. Shout out Soul Premise for the bag. And they also sent over the red duffel as well. Let me open this one up. And I know a lot of people rock with Soul Premise now. I remember when it really was just me and a few other guys, but the word gets out fast on how good these products are. And I'm not, look, no cap, bro. Oh, dog, bro, look. I've never been a type of influencer or YouTube creator to get in front of this camera and lie to y'all. Anytime I've ever brought a brand in front of your face, I already screened it and I already like stepped it, certified, and approved it. I will never put my name on something that's not the right thing to do. Or I would never put my name on something that's not right. When I tell y'all this quality in the bags are amazing, even if you don't ask an influencer, just ask a regular person who owns the Soul Premise bag. It really is not like any other, and I'm just being dead honest with you, bro. Like, these bags are crazy. So we got the red bag here, this duffel bag, which is fire. It's probably one of my favorite ones. I'm actually using the Unbreakable collab, the blue backpack to go back home with. And he also sent over, bruh, yo, Soul Premise be showing love, bro. So they sent over the Soul Premise slides. Y'all probably ain't even seen these yet. Your boy Snipe getting that exclusive in. So you got the Soul Premise slides and that like Miami type vibe. And in my size 12 on the bag. No cap, I might bring these with me too. I usually be wearing my Yeezy slides a lot often. I only got like 2 pair of slides, so I'm happy I can throw these in a rotation. You see like the Soul Premise right here on the strap too. Hey, my guy, hey, you know, hey, bro, I appreciate you. He also threw in the Soul Premise tee with it. Is this my size real quick though? Hold up. Yes, sir, it's my size. So we got the Soul Premise tee. I'm not sure if like the slides and the t-shirts are over on the website, so I don't know, I don't want to say that, but I know for sure if you're interested in these bags, and you can head to the link in the description. As well, you can use my discount Snipe Squad and you can save, what is it, like 35% off? Which is a huge chunk of change, like comparing it to like other brands I work with who want to give me like 10% or 3% or 5%. They give 35% over there. So make sure you head over to Soul Premise and check out what they have, because as you can see, the quality is A1. Now for the Foot Locker package. Bro, before we open up this package, I'm not even gonna say nothing. I'm gonna just let you look at this, bro. And I really wanna be honest with y'all. I'm gonna let you look at this real quick. Bruh, tell me what's wrong with this package. Look at this. Bruh. I don't look. Hey, at this point, bro, no lie, I'm really about to. Let me calm down, bro. I think I'm really about to lay hands. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I've been patient enough. If you look at this box, bro, whoever is the mail carrier for my crib is clearly going through the boxes. They're clearly going through the boxes. Not only was this box, look at the tape, bro. Look at the tape. Look at this. I can put my hand in here, bro. Like I can fit my hand in here. I can fit my hand. They're clearly going through my boxes, bro, and it's frustrating because it's like, this is not even UPS. This is like, wait, is this UPS? Okay, yeah, this was UPS. And the thing is, I don't be knowing if like, I know a lot of y'all gonna be like, oh, that's Chauffeur Sniper, because you can pick it up and you can tell them, bro, when companies send me things, they don't always alert me. I had no idea that Foot Locker was sending me this package. The only way I figured out about it because I went to my steps, I seen this, I seen it said Foot Locker, I seen it said Sniper Jones. It doesn't always work like they reach out to you and y'all talk about what y'all gonna get. That's not how it is sometimes. Sometimes they genuinely send you stuff just out the kindness of their heart, which I appreciate, but it's like you have no time to prepare for it. You have no time to, like, you know, make arrangements for it, and stuff like this happen. Now, I have not opened this box up yet, and I'm honestly kind of scared because I don't even know if what they sent is truly in here, bro. Obviously, it's a shoe, right? So if I open this up and there's nothing in here but like some bricks or something like that, then like obviously I know. But I obviously see that somebody, look, bro, like the package, look. This is residue from the tape that they ripped off. Somebody clearly went through my package, bro. So the next time I see my mail carrier, I'm gonna have to talk to him though, bro, on me. So let me take off the little bit of tape that we do have. I really hope it's some shoes in here, because if not, I ain't even gonna think like that. We're gonna think positive, Snipe. We're gonna think positive. Oh, okay. Bro, it has been so, let me make sure it's here first, real quick. Actually, you know what? We're gonna do it together. But the box says Nike Air Force One. So, I'm not gonna lie. Funny as it seems, I was literally on StockX looking up what the LA Air Force One, because I really like that Air Force One. And I was on Nike Sneakers. If you got the Sneakers app, they're allowing you to customize your own Air Force Ones right now. So I sent the pic to the group chat with me, Break, Flight, and Holla, and I made a dream big Air Force One that I was probably gonna create, buy it, and then review here on the channel. Just something that I put together like a dream big Air Force One. I thought it was pretty cool. Now the irony of Foot Locker sending me an Air Force One is crazy, because I don't really wear Air Force Ones like that. And the fact that I went on StockX to look up what the LA Air Force One, then I created Air Force One on sneakers, and now they send me an Air Force One. It's just like hella coincidental, because I rarely ever even like Air Force Ones. Oh yes, and they are in the box. So okay, at least my shoes are in the box, bro. I'm thankful. At least my sneakers got to me. So here we have the Air Force Ones, the classics, but these ones got the translucent bottom, and they got like this black camo on the Nike swoosh as well. Got the blue Nike swoosh on the back, blue on the Nike tips, and it looks like it got like some nice little leather quality going around this too. I'm not sure what type of design this is on the Nike Air tongue though. That don't look bad either. Now look, no cap, I don't really wear Air Force Ones that much, but I am excited to have another pair in the collection, because Air Force Ones I feel like are coming back. Call me a hype beast. I think I am a hype beast for what I'm about to say. I really do like the Volt Off-White Air Force Ones. I almost bought those at one point in time. Probably my worst sneaker decision ever. I love my phones, but I chose to buy the Galaxy phones, the second one, the alternate, over the Volt Air Force Ones. I could have had those for like $450. Instead, I paid like $380, $390 for the alternate foams. Yes, I got a good deal on the foam posits, but if you look at those Air Force Ones, now they're going for about easily $800 to $1,000 depending on size. I could have got them for $450. I wish I would have pulled the trigger on those before those. But that's my fault, man. You got to keep going. Anyway, bring out both pair. And yeah, these fire. Also, guys, I will be posting pics of these on my IG. So if you don't follow me on IG, please head over to Instagram and give your boy a follow. The Foot Locker deal did consist of me posting on the gram, man. So I'm gonna be posting on the gram with these very soon. These are cool, man. These are cool. Now, honestly, would I be rocking these every day? Probably not. Or maybe I might do a Rejuvenator video and just rock these like every day for like 2 weeks or like for a month, and see if I can get these back clean. That'd be a good video too, because they got the translucent outers too, and they got the all white on the upper. But I mean, Air Force Ones is like your pretty standard. I mean, like, bro, when I think of like middle school, high school, if you had a fresh pair of Air Force Ones, like, you was really that guy. And I lived in Cleveland where it snowed a lot, so you really couldn't even wear your Air Force Ones to school, because if you did, it's so much snow that your jeans would bleed on your shoes. Smash the like button right now if you know that feeling. A lot of y'all that live in like Atlanta, a lot of y'all live in LA, a lot of y'all live in Miami. See, y'all don't understand that pain. Y'all don't understand that. All my Midwest guys, all my up north guys, y'all know, bro, when you walk into school, do not have your jeans over the top of it. All this, bro, all this is gonna have dye from your jeans all on it. Man, that bring back them days, bro. Anyways, huge shout out to Foot Locker for sending these over, man. I'm extremely thankful. I will be posting these up on the gram sometime maybe this week, so keep tuned for that. And I gotta go talk to my mailman, bro, because he about to probably get a vicious case of the beach. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.